Here we have the Blukar flashlight. Now I love the size of this. It could fit in your pocket or purse very easily. A simple on and off with a USB-C cable, which I love to recharge this very easily. Now charging this up for just a few hours is going to give you days and days of use. So I love the battery life on this, and it is very simple to use. Pressing this on and off, as you can see, we have a very bright and focused light. Now check this out. Simply pulling this out, you're getting a very pinpointed light radius. Pulling it back in, look at that. And then you're going to press this one more time to make it slightly more dim. And then you're going to get some SOS, a very fast blinking here. Once again, you can dial this in. And then here you're getting that SOS, the specific blinking. Once again, pressing it one more time to turn it off. We have a nice handle right here that makes this thing very portable. You're going to get your charging cable right here. Let's make it pretty dark in here and let's test out this flashlight. Look at how bright this is, you guys. Truly amazing. And then as simple as this, making it much more pinpointed where you can see specific things. I just love how bright and big that radius is for such a small sized flashlight. This is so powerful. If you are looking for a new flashlight that is powerful and portable, look no further. I would highly recommend this to you.